Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. I've not been around for so many months and I know that my YouTube has been suffering, but hey, your girl is back. And please don't forget to hit that bell down below so that when I put some videos, it will notify you. And to all my loyal friends, thank you for my subscribers that been there for me and supporting me and still on my channel when I'm not around. But right now I'm back and you shall be seeing me more of each and every week. So guys, right now if you want to see how I came about this look, please stay tuned, and me, your girl, I shall see you on the next. guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. So this is the final look. So just tell me what you think about this look. So because as you all know that I already done my eyeshadows out of the video, because you know I was going somewhere, so I was in a hurry. So next time I'll do all these eyeshadows while you guys are looking, so that you can see how I came about this eyeshadow look. So right now this is my glam look as I'm going out with my sisters. I shall see you next time. Ciao, bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below of my video. So ciao, bye, see you next time. May God bless you all.